Hello everyone, welcome to Sabre Virtual Demo, our brief videos explaining different features of Business Central and related products. In this episode, we're going to look at personalization in Business Central. And so now we're going to look at Business Central personalization, customizing your Business Central experience. So here we are, we're in Business Central, we're logged in as Molly Clark. I'm going to go and take a look at a sales order. So let's go take a look at sales orders. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to personalize the sales order list page. And I'm going to add a field or some information up here into the list page. So in order to personalize, I go into settings, I personalize. And when I do so, I suddenly have a set of information that's available in the screen that I can see. You'll notice that the icons change a little bit. So I can go in and I can, for instance, set a freeze pane here, which means that as I scroll left and right, these three fields will stay always on the left-hand side and the rest of the fields will move. And then I can also add a field. So let's say there's a field in here in the sales order list. Maybe I want to see the due date of the sales order. I don't see that here. So what I do is I click more and I add a field. And when I click add field, it's going to open up a list of all the fields. And what I want is I want the shipment date. And I'm going to drag that over and I'm going to drop that into the grid. And then I also want the due date, which is technically it's the due date of an invoice if I have an invoice from the sales order. And let's get the promised requested. Let's do the requested delivery date. So we'll add the requested delivery date, and we'll do that right after the shipment date, in between the shipment date and the due date. So now what I've done is I've added to my list page. I've added three fields. And this is going to have a lot of the fields that are available within the system, more than the traditional Microsoft Dynamics NAV had. So I've done that. I'm going to go into this sales order itself now. So the software is still running. I can still jump into another page. So I'll go into the sales order page, and I'm going to do a customization of a fact box. So I've got my customer statistics fact box. So that's normally hidden. I'm going to show the customer statistics fact box. You'll notice in here that there are a couple other ones here. There's this items invoicing. I don't need that one. I'm going to hide item details invoicing fact box. I don't require that. And then I'm going to add a field in here. So I'll click in here again. I'll click my plus field. There's my fields that have shown up. And I'm going to put in, let's see, something, I'll put in the blanket order number. Let's put that in. We'll put that field in here. I think because I have this, I'm going to have to, so I'm going to go here to my lines. I'm going to add, let's drag my blanket order in. Oh. Blanket order, there we go. Put the blanket order in. Now I have personalized the page. I can say done. It's done, and now it's saved my personalization. I have blanket order number. I can go back. I have added a fact box that wasn't previously visible. I've added requested delivery date, due date, and shipment date to my sales lines. And when I drag, you'll notice that the first three rows now just stay stationary. So I always see the number and the sell to customer number and the sell to customer. Thank you for watching this video. Please follow our channel by clicking here, or click here for the next great video. We look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.